With AirDrop, you can instantly share files, photos, and more with nearby Apple devices without using cellular data. We'll take a look at how to set up AirDrop as well as how to share and receive content. Before you start, make sure you're near the person you're sending to and within Bluetooth and Wi-Fi range. You'll both need Bluetooth and Wi-Fi turned on and personal hotspot turned off. First, let's take a look at how to set up AirDrop. You can do this through Control Center or in your iPhone settings. We'll use Control Center. Once you're there, touch and hold the Network Settings card. To check who can see your device and send you content, tap AirDrop and select an option. We'll keep ours set to contacts only, which means that you'll need to have the sender saved as a contact in order to receive content. If you don't have them as a contact, you can change your device setting to everyone. Just remember, if you keep your AirDrop setting to everyone, you may receive an invitation to accept content from someone you don't know. You can also turn off receiving completely. Now let's share something with AirDrop. We're going to share a photo. Start by opening the image. Then tap the share button in the bottom left of the screen. On the top row, you may see your other nearby devices signed in with your Apple ID or Siri suggestions of people you can share with. Now tap AirDrop. Then tap the device or contact you want to share with. If you want to send something to one of your own devices, it will download automatically. If you receive something from someone else on AirDrop, you will receive an alert with a preview of the content being shared and options to accept or decline. If you tap accept, the content will open in the app it was sent from. So a photo will appear in the Photos app while a website URL opens in Safari. If a file can be opened in multiple apps like a PDF, we can choose which app to open it in. And that's how to share files, photos, and more using AirDrop. Subscribe to MobileBaz YouTube channel for more tips. Thanks for watching.